Be honest with yourself right now. Look at how your typical day actually unfolds. You wake up, scroll through your phone with no real plan, spend hours consuming instead of creating, and by bedtime you feel drained. Yet nothing important has moved forward. Weeks turn into months, and your life stays stuck on repeat. Same habits, same distractions, same results. But here's the truth most people never accept. The next 30 days have the power to completely rewrite their future, not through hype or motivation, but through clear decisions and unbreakable discipline. I'm giving you a simple 30-day reset challenge. Follow it fully, and you'll look back and barely recognize who you used to be. Let's break it down. Step 1. Eliminate distractions. This is the foundation. If you skip this, nothing else matters. Your attention is being stolen every single day by endless feeds, notifications, games, and pointless videos. For the next 30 days, you're going on a strict distraction diet. Delete or hide the apps that waste your time. If Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts aren't directly helping you grow, remove them temporarily. Cut the mindless consumption. Even with self-improvement content, stop overwatching and start doing. Replace instant dopamine hits with actions that build your future. Your focus must shift from entertainment to creation. Your attention is one of your greatest assets, so protect it carefully. Step 2. Choose one path. Most people stay average because they try to fix everything at once. When everything feels important, nothing gets done. For these 30 days, pick one main goal and go all in. It could be building a consistent gym habit, studying deeply, learning a high-income skill, or growing your business. Just make it specific and measurable. Not sure what to pick? Grab a notebook and list 3 to 4 areas that genuinely excite you. Spend 1 full week testing each one intensely. By the end of the month, one will clearly stand out. It'll feel right, energizing, and natural. Once you find it, commit with 0 distractions and 0 excuses. That becomes your main focus.
Step 3. Build non-negotiable daily routines. Real change doesn't come from occasional bursts of effort. It comes from systems you refuse to break. During this challenge, 2 routines are non-negotiable: your morning and your evening. In the mornings, wake up at the same time every day. Start with intention. Move your body, hydrate, plan your top 3 tasks, and avoid your phone for the first 30 to 60 minutes. In the evenings, review what went well, what didn't, prepare for tomorrow, and end your day without screens. Keep them simple. They don't need to be fancy, they just need to be consistent. These routines will protect your energy and speed up your results faster than you expect. Step 4. Track your progress daily. What gets measured gets improved. Every single day, use a simple notebook, calendar, or app to mark what you completed. Stay consistent and watch your progress grow. Once a week, sit down and review. What worked? What needs tweaking? Adjust and keep moving. Tracking removes guesswork and kills the excuse of "I don't see results." This 30-day challenge isn't about perfection. It's about showing up even when you don't feel like it. The magic happens in the consistency.